All right, now in this example, we've got something a little bit more complicated, right? So we've got two fractions, both sides look complicated. Typically, what I say, you try to start with one side and try to get it into the form of the other side. Sometimes it's a little complicated and you might not be able to do it. So what if we can work with both sides separately, see if we can get them both to equal something in the middle that's the same. Let me show you. Okay, so let's start with the left side. See where we could do with simplifying this and see where it takes us. Okay, so we got cotangent squared theta over 1 plus cosecant squared theta. Okay, so let's simplify this, and I'm going to start by multiplying well, let's see here. Let's do, yeah, the only thing we have is this cosine squared. So let's use the Pythagorean identity, because we can't do anything with this. If we split it up into two fractions, that's really not going to help us. So let's do the Pythagorean identity. So remember the Pythagorean identity? So cotangent and cosecant are paired together. Okay, so we would get 1 plus, yeah, so we would get 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared. So this is going to be cosecant squared theta minus 1. Okay, again, just keeping track of how to get the Pythagorean identities. Okay, and that, of course, this is going to be 1 plus cosecant theta. Okay, so now we're at this point. Now what we want to do is, well, that kind of helps us because we could look at this as a difference of two squares, right? We've got a single down here, we've got a double up here. We can split this up into factoring, right? Because it's a difference of two squares. I can split this up as cosecant theta minus 1 times cosecant theta plus 1 all over 1 plus, oops, cosecant theta, and guess what? Look at that. Cancel, cancel. What do I get? I get cosecant theta minus 1. All right. And that's as far as I can go. So now my hope is I can take this side and get the same thing. So let's do it. Okay, so now let's start with, I'll put a 1 here, and let's do 2. So now I'm going to do 1 minus sine theta over sine theta, and I can split this up into two fractions. So this is going to be 1 over sine theta minus sine theta over sine theta, and this gives me cosecant theta minus 1, and I get the same thing. So since I took each side and I was able to show that both sides can be simplified to the same thing with a string of equals, then they both have to be equal to each other. And we're done. All right. Have a great day.